Today I will unbox and test USB microphone. The mic I am talking about is Samson C01U Pro USB condenser mic. You get almost everything you need to get started in this box. The user manual that comes with it in more than English and Chinese language, and the specifications inside are very easy to understand. There is a card in the user manual that provides a link to download additional noise cancelling software. Here is super cardioid USB condenser microphone, which fairly protected by the foam box. The mic comes with a plastic swivel mount, and their website claims this mic is great for voiceovers, audio for YouTube videos like this one, and recording instruments. A tabletop tripod stand. These goods are really heavy, well-made pieces and provide solid support for the mic. "10" USB cable for audio connection to the computer and also provide power to the microphone. A standard thread for connection to a mic stand. The only thing not included were a separate pop filter. Naturally, this mic has a built-in windscreen, and the big plus of this microphone is that the diaphragm is shock mounted, and it does a really great job at eliminating vibrations from the table or anything else. Let's talk about build quality. This is solid metal, everything is made out of metal. Table stand, mount, body, capsule, anything you name is metal, and that means it has a very great build quality. The table stand is okay. USB cable is long and also okay, but not too durable, but does its job. A big plus again for this microphone that it's plug and play feature, no drivers needed, and it works with my iPad and Android phones, which is very helpful. It also compatible with both Windows and Mac. The polar pattern is super cardioid, which means it records the majority of the audio from directly in front of the microphone, but it also picks up a small amount of noise from the opposite side as well. Due to the super cardioid pattern of the microphone, the noise cancellation on this microphone is excellent. Peak LED indicator in the front indicates when the audio is peaking, which is really helpful. The green means good, red means peaking. Another big improvement is that zero latency headphone port on microphone. I use it all the time since it can output microphones sound mixed with computers in real time, which helps a lot. Overall, honestly, I would recommend this microphone to the producers who are new to producing. For this price it sells, this is way too good, and I would recommend it over Blue Yeti. I struggle to come up with any cons for this microphone in this price range. It performed well in most situations, recording music, recording voice, and also noise cancellation. I hope you like this little review I did, and if you want to buy this microphone, use Amazon link in the description. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.